Bitcoin price prediction. BTC hits $43,000 amid Tesla, El Salvador news, US Nonfarm Payrolls in the spotlight. Arslan Butt last updated, February 2, 2024 1:49 EST forum and read, Bitcoin price prediction and the latest Bitcoin price. Prediction, BTC has surged to $43,000 amid speculation over Tesla's potential sale of its remaining Bitcoin holdings after foregoing $500 million in unrealized profits. Meanwhile, the Salvadoran president reaffirms his steadfast Bitcoin adoption strategy even as the country approaches its elections. Additionally, a new report suggests that, against the backdrop of regulatory challenges, the cryptocurrency market continues to thrive in China. Amidst these unfolding narratives, the US Nonfarm Payrolls report looms large, poised to potentially influence investor sentiment and the subsequent price trajectory of Bitcoin. Bitcoin price standstill. US Nonfarm Payrolls in the spotlight. As Bitcoin navigates through market fluctuations, all eyes are on the upcoming US Nonfarm Payrolls NFP data, which could sway the cryptocurrency's price. Analysts forecast the addition of 187K jobs, a dip from the previous 216K, while average hourly earnings are expected to grow by 0.3%, down from 0.4%. Non-farm payrolls. Source, Challenge Economics. The unemployment rate is projected to tick up slightly to 3.8% from 3.7%. These figures, alongside a slight downtick in consumer sentiment to 78.9, could signal economic headwinds potentially affecting investor confidence and Bitcoin's valuation in the short term. Tesla's Bitcoin dilemma, to sell or not. The electric vehicle giant Tesla, initial $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment in February 2021 when Bitcoin hovered around $37,000, not only boosted the cryptocurrency's value but also marked a significant corporate endorsement. However, Tesla's decision to offload roughly 10% of its Bitcoin holdings in March 2021 at prices exceeding $60,000 seemed premature as Bitcoin's price soared higher thereafter. By June 2022, as Bitcoin's value dipped below the $20,000 mark, Tesla further reduced its position, selling off a substantial portion of its holdings. Had Tesla maintained its original 43,200 Bitcoin cash by early 2024, it would have amassed a value of nearly $2 billion. Tesla Inc. Bitcoin holding. Source, Bitcoin treasuries currently, with 9,720 Bitcoins left. Tesla's stake is valued at approximately $400 million. The automotive titan's next move in the cryptocurrency market is highly anticipated, as it has the potential to significantly influence Bitcoin's valuation. Whether Tesla will capitalize on the remaining Bitcoins or divest further could set a precedent, impacting investor sentiment and shaping Bitcoin's financial narrative in the times ahead. El Salvador's unshaken Bitcoin resolve. El Salvador's Vice President, Felix Aloa, expressed confidence that if President Nayib Bukele is reelected on February 4, El Salvador will continue to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. The International Monetary Fund recommended that El Salvador reevaluate its Bitcoin rules during loan discussions, but Aloa declared that El Salvador had no plans to do so. Enthusiasm for Bitcoin adoption has increased with the recent U.S. approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Aloa stressed that plans pertaining to Bitcoin, such as the tax-free Bitcoin City and the provision of passports to investors who contribute $1 million in Bitcoin, would go on. El Salvador's commitment to the national adoption of cryptocurrencies could be strengthened if its Bitcoin plan continues to be implemented, which would have a beneficial effect on BTC prices. Cryptocurrency's resilience in China. Chinese cryptocurrency fans are more likely to make sizable investments in digital assets than their counterparts in Vietnam, South Korea, Taiwan, and Thailand. According to a Kairos Ventures analysis, despite official limitations, over 70% of respondents in the 5 nations, according to the report based on a poll of 5,268 participants, said that cryptocurrencies made up more than half of their asset portfolios. Remarkably, 33% of Chinese investors own a significant stake in stablecoins, placing them second only to Vietnam 58.6%. Despite official limitations, the bulk of Chinese investors continue to favor centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. As China mulls changing its anti-money laundering laws to allow cryptocurrency transactions, there have been notable advancements in Asia's cryptocurrency regulatory environment. These patterns might encourage more people in the area to learn about and invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. BTC, Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin's market performance today showcases a positive movement, with its price at $42,945, marking over 2% increase in the last 24 hours. Currently leading the cryptocurrency market with a rank of number 1, Bitcoin has a live market cap of $842.32 billion, based on a circulating supply of 19.62 million BTC out of a total 21 million. In the 4-hour chart, the pivot point is set at $42,635. Resistance levels are identified at $43,844, $44,585, and $45,558, while support lines stand at $41,876, $40,218, and $40,123. Technical indicators reveal an RSI of 55, suggesting a moderate buying interest. The MACD indicator shows a value of 36 against a signal of 157, indicating a mixed momentum, while the 50-day EMA at $42,105 supports the current uptrend. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. Bitcoin's chart pattern forms an upward channel with the RSI in supportive channel pointing towards a bullish trend around the $42,600 level. The technical outlook for Bitcoin is bullish above the pivot point of $42,635, suggesting potential for further gains if it maintains above this threshold. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Follow us on Google News.